Hi, my name is Dawn Yuski, and I am doing my presentation on nonverbal communication. On this first slide, looking at the tools that this man is using in the background, I would say that this picture was taken a long time ago. The man appears to be hammering something out on that anvil. He seems to be happy at what he's doing. His facial expression shows that he is content and a hard worker, and he is happy at the job that he is doing at the present time. On this slide, looking at this man's clothing along with the person in the background, this picture was taken some time ago. The man appears to have been working for some time in the hot sun and is a little hot because he's taken off his hat and is rubbing his head. He is smiling though, so he could be happy at what he has accomplished. Possibly somebody told him a funny story. But all around, he appears to be happy at what he is doing. On this slide, I see probably a younger man that is heading to work. He has a lamp on his head and a railroad track next to him. So I would say that he probably works in a mine. His clothes are still clean, so this photo was taken before he started work. Looks like he has a lunchbox next to him. The way he is standing shows that he is proud of his job and of himself. He does have a little bit of a smile on his face, so I would say that he is happy. On this slide of this lady, by the way she's sitting, I would say that she could have been brought up prim and proper, per se. She is sitting up straight with her hands on her lap and her legs crossed. Her facial expression doesn't show much of a smile. But looking at her eyes, she appears to be happy, maybe a little bit nervous about getting her picture taken. But overall, I would say that she is content and happy with her life.